If you're watching this video, your heart is probably broken. Maybe you are wondering if you will ever love again or find real love. If you will be able to trust in love again. If anyone will ever love you the way you really truly deserve. Trust me, guys, I've been there, and I'm going to be sharing you how you can heal completely using this ancient, super powerful hooponopono that can really transform your broken heart into feeling of wholeness. So namaste everyone. Hi, I'm Naisha Neha. I'm a corporate trainer and trauma ease relationship coach. So here's what no one tells you about breakup. The pain you're feeling within isn't just about losing that person. It's in fact about every rejection, every abandonment, every time you feel that you were not being chosen. Your current heartbreak is also activating all of this past hurt that you have gone through. And this is when you drown so much more and your self-esteem goes so low. If that's you, I truly want you to be honest and stay by end of this video because I'm going to be sharing magical solutions of how you can come out of breakup and heal those wounds within you. So step number 1, I really want you to take notes, is you have to acknowledge the pain with honesty. So don't rush into forgiving your ex or your partner. First is to feel everything fully, experience everything fully. Bring your attention and again be in that zone, what really all happened. And as a third person, I want you to experience as you're not in any kind of desperation, anger, or any kind of regret that you're holding. Think from a neutral space. Now, you need to journal every negative emotion that you thought is going to trigger you or is triggering you at this moment. It can be anger, it can be sadness, betrayed, it can be feeling unloved. Take a note. Now, do hooponopono to your own self. You will say, if you are being hurt, you will say, I'm sorry that I'm hurt. Please forgive me for not protecting myself. I thank myself for being there with me in every challenge and staying strong. I truly love and acknowledge myself for being who I am, with my flaws and with all my achievements. I love myself exactly the way I am. Keep on repeating this. You can do 108 times hooponopono, and you can also check my 108 hooponopono meditation and take the help of it too. Now step 2 is that you need to clear the cords. So visualize that you and your ex are holding a energetic cord which is connected to your ex. It's a golden cord. Now chant hooponopono. And while you're imagining your ex, this cord is dissolving in love. All of those golden mist is spreading in the air, going up to the universe. And universe is giving you both love that you both deserve. If it's together, you guys will. If it's staying apart and your karmic account has been closed, then separately. Now, do this for at least 30 days to break any kind of trauma bond or attachment that you're holding with your ex, because you're not letting that energy go and the new energy enter your life. So reclaim your power, which is step number 3. Use hooponopono to forgive yourself for any mistake that you made or any regret that you're still holding, thinking, I could have saved this relationship by doing this. I could have said this, but no. Whatever loss has been done was meant to happen either today or tomorrow. So accept this. Now clear your family patterns. You say, I break the cycle of heartbreak in my lineage. And then chant, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. And open your heart to new love. Know that you are ready, you are healed, and even your partner is healed too. So then declare, I'm ready to love and to be loved again, effortlessly, in being and enjoying secure love. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I truly, truly love. So now, here is the real catch. My student, Sana, she came to me 3 months ago, and somewhere her engagement, in fact, her roka, which was supposed to happen, did not happen. Because of which, she was in a miserable condition. She stopped eating, she couldn't sleep well, she was crying, and all she wanted was somewhere to let this roka happen, this engagement happen. And she was not even able to believe that something beautiful can happen to her ever, or say that she can find love again. Her words were that she gave so much to him and he just walked away. And her repeated question was, what is wrong in her? Which is actually a trap of heartbreak. People make it believe that something's wrong within them, instead of seeing that rejection is actually a redirection towards something beautiful, something meaningful, bringing you much more closer to your goals, to your life path. And when me and Sana, we worked together, this hope no showed magic. And after a few days, she was able to even take his name without even crying. Like for the first few days, 3 days, she was terribly miserable. And by fourth day, she was gaining confidence and she was becoming normal. She was going back on her routine, eating normally, smiling, in acceptance. And by the end of the month, she was laughing, she was going out and believing magic is right here and she's worthy of. After 2 months, she even joined a dance class and she really loves and enjoys doing that. And magically, while she was enjoying that dance, where she was treating herself in the best, beautiful queen energy, she texts me, thank you so much for gifting me this new life. And today, she was operating from her own power. And she was okay with that breakup. And she even thanked me that if this breakup would have not happened, she would have not met me. And this was the best gift as she got closer, understanding herself, understanding her inner wounds, and also working for it. This was not a forced journey of healing journey that she was going through. And she never forced herself while she was here in this session. Every beautiful relationship that she was experiencing was coming from amplified direction. And she could feel the possibility of growing in her life. She was also becoming much more success. She grabbed promotion. She was also grabbing international tour. By just healing her wounds that she was carrying. And somewhere, right in the start, she was thinking that she cannot experience the beautiful new zone. Today, she is happily into one of it. So if you are also someone who's carrying broken pieces of you, with whatever happened and you're not able to redirect and bring awareness, I really want you to give this assignment to you guys, that do Ho'oponopono as I have given you all the steps. And specifically for yourself, for the broken heart that you're carrying, by placing both your hands on your heart and saying, I'm sorry for hurting you. Please forgive me for not protecting you, for not being there for you. Thank you for showing courage and being here always with me, choosing me. I truly love myself for being me as the beautiful person. I accept myself exactly the way I am. Do this for the 3 days. Come back on this video and declare healed, powerful heart, healed, limitless heart. Because when you declare, you are amplifying this declaration out to the universe and also to many hearts. Because when they read, they get attracted to your energy and they bless you for this. As you are also helping universe to contribute as being a role player in amplifying love, in amplifying this beautiful energy of healing. Plus, if you've made this transformation, you're also being a part of my mission too. But it's not just over here. I really would love to welcome you all who really want to experience more magical for the next 3 days. So here I'm doing 3 days live Ho'oponopono workshop and the link is pinned below. I will guide you through deep healing, intense healing that will transform you there in the call itself. From being broken to having and carrying, walking with confidence with a big heart. So registration link is pinned below in the comment, and your new journey starts from right here with this one tap. Also to comment below when you are how you are implementing this Ho'oponopono and how magical are you feeling about yourself. Also, my WhatsApp community is free to join, so make sure that the link is pinned below and you are part of my WhatsApp community because I keep on sharing a lot of details, lot of nuggets in my WhatsApp. So with that, big namaste and I'll see you guys soon. Thank you.